Gardening is a wonderful hobby that allows us to connect with nature and create beautiful outdoor spaces. However, it can also be a challenging and time-consuming task, especially for those who are new to gardening. Fortunately, there are many cool garden inventions available today that can make gardening easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. In this article, we'll explore 10 of the most innovative and useful garden inventions that are currently on the market. At number 10, self-watering planters. Self-watering planters are a great solution to the challenge of ensuring that your plants receive the right amount of water. These planters have a built-in reservoir that holds water, which is then slowly released to the plant roots as needed. This ensures that your plants receive a consistent supply of water without the risk of overwatering. Self-watering planters are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small pots for indoor plants to large containers for outdoor gardens. With the right self-watering planter, you can keep your plants healthy and thriving with minimal effort. These planters are perfect for busy individuals or those who may forget to water their plants regularly. Incorporating self-watering planters into your gardening routine can save time and ensure your plants receive the proper amount of water. At number 9, vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are a great option for those with limited space for gardening. These gardens allow you to grow plants vertically using a variety of structures such as trellises, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets. Vertical gardens are not only space-saving, but they can also be visually stunning, creating a beautiful living wall that adds color and texture to your outdoor space. With the right vertical garden, you can create a beautiful and functional living wall that adds color and texture to your space. These gardens can also help improve air quality and reduce noise levels. Incorporating a vertical garden into your home or office can provide numerous benefits and enhance your overall well-being. Number 8, garden hose reels. Garden hose reels are a great solution to the problem of storing garden hoses. These reels allow you to easily wind up your garden hose and store it neatly, preventing tangles and kinks. Some garden hose reels even come with built-in storage compartments for nozzles and other accessories. Garden hose reels are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small wall-mounted units to large freestanding models. With the right garden hose reel, you can extend the life of your hose and make watering your plants easier and more efficient. These reels are perfect for those who want to keep their outdoor space neat, tidy, and can also help prevent tripping hazards. At number 7, garden kneelers. Gardening can be hard on your knees and back, especially if you spend a lot of time kneeling or bending over. Garden kneelers are designed to provide cushioned support for your knees, making gardening more comfortable and less strenuous. Some garden kneelers even double as seats, allowing you to take a break and rest your legs when needed. Garden kneelers are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small pads to larger benches. With the right garden kneeler, you can reduce the strain on your body and make gardening more enjoyable. These kneelers are perfect for those with mobility issues and those who spend a lot of time in the garden. Incorporating a garden kneeler into your gardening routine can help prevent injuries and provide a more comfortable and enjoyable gardening experience. Number 6, garden carts. Garden carts are a great solution for those with large gardens or who need to transport heavy items such as soil or plants. These carts are designed to be sturdy and durable with large wheels that can handle rough terrain. Some garden carts even come with built-in seats or storage compartments for tools and other accessories. Garden carts are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small hand carts to large wagons. With the right garden cart, you can save time and effort by easily moving heavy items around your garden. These carts are perfect for those with large gardens or those who need to transport materials over long distances. If you're finding this video interesting, why not leave a comment with a heart or an icon as a thank you for our video? Do you like these types of tech gadgets? Why not leave a Tim, emoji, and a comment of thanks below? Now at number 5, garden scissors. Garden scissors are an essential tool for any gardener, as they are versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. These scissors are designed to be lightweight and easy to use, with sharp blades that can cut through a variety of materials. Garden scissors can be used for pruning, deadheading, and harvesting, making them a must-have tool for any gardener. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small snips for delicate plants to larger shears for thicker branches. With the right pair of garden scissors, you can keep your plants healthy and looking their best. Number 4. Garden gloves. Garden gloves are an essential tool for any gardener as they provide protection for your hands while working in the garden. These gloves are designed to be durable and comfortable with materials that can withstand the rigors of gardening. Garden gloves can protect your hands from cuts, scrapes, and blisters, as well as from exposure to chemicals and other irritants. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from lightweight gloves for delicate tasks to heavy-duty gloves for tougher jobs. With the right pair of garden gloves, you can work in the garden for hours without worrying about injuring your hands. Number 3. Garden sprayers. Garden sprayers are a versatile tool for any gardener as they can be used for a variety of tasks. These sprayers are designed to be used with adjustable sprayers that can be set to different spray patterns. Garden sprayers can be used for applying fertilizers, pesticides, and other treatments to your plants, as well as for watering your garden. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small handheld sprayers to larger backpack models. With the right garden sprayer, you can keep your plants healthy and looking their best. Garden sprayers are a versatile tool for any gardener, as they can be used for a variety of tasks. With adjustable nozzles, they can be set to different spray patterns. Garden sprayers can be used for applying fertilizers, pesticides, and other treatments to your plants, as well as for watering your garden. With a variety of sizes and styles to choose from, you can find the perfect garden sprayer to suit your needs. Are you finding this video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you'll miss out on what comes next. Number 2. Garden hoses. Garden hoses are an essential tool for any gardener as they provide a convenient way to water your plants. These hoses are designed to be durable and flexible with materials that can withstand the elements. Garden hoses can be used for watering your garden, washing your car, and other outdoor tasks. They are available in a variety of lengths and styles, from lightweight hoses for small gardens to heavy-duty hoses for larger properties. With the right garden hose, you can keep your plants healthy and looking their best. Garden hoses are an essential tool for any gardener as they provide a convenient way to water your plants and perform other outdoor tasks. With a variety of lengths and styles to choose from, you can find the perfect garden hose to suit your needs. Whether you have a small garden or a large property, a garden hose can help you keep your plants healthy and looking their best. And at number 1, garden rakes. Garden rakes are an essential tool for any gardener as they can be used for a variety of tasks. These rakes are designed to be durable and lightweight, with tines that can be adjusted to different widths. Garden rakes can be used for raking leaves, spreading mulch, and leveling soil. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles, from small hand rakes to larger landscape rakes. With the right garden rake, you can keep your garden looking neat and tidy. Garden rakes are an essential tool for any gardener as they can be used for a variety of tasks. With adjustable tines that can be set to different widths, garden rakes can be used for raking leaves, spreading mulch, and leveling soil. With a variety of sizes and styles to choose from, you can find the perfect garden rake to suit your needs. In conclusion, garden rakes are an essential tool for any gardener as they can be used for a variety of tasks. With adjustable tines that can be set to different widths, garden rakes can be used for raking leaves, spreading mulch, and leveling soil. With a variety of sizes and styles to choose from, you can find the perfect garden rake to suit your needs. By incorporating a garden rake into your gardening routine, you can keep your garden looking neat and tidy. So be sure to add a garden rake to your tool collection and enjoy the benefits of a well-maintained garden.